today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Notion. If you want to collaborate with someone on a page in Notion, inviting them as a guest is a simple and effective way to do it. This is especially useful when you want to share a specific page without giving access to your entire workspace. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along and set the right permissions for the person you are inviting. To begin, open Notion and navigate to the page you want to share. Make sure you are on the exact page the guest should access, because the invitation will apply to that page. This helps keep your workspace organized and ensures people only see what they need to see. Once you are on the correct page, look to the top right corner of the Notion window and click the Share button. This opens the sharing menu, which is where you manage access for that page. If you've shared the page before, you may already see existing members or guests listed there. In the email field provided, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check that the address is correct before moving on, since the invitation will be sent directly to that email. Next, choose the level of access you want this guest to have. You'll see a drop-down menu next to their email address. Click it to select the appropriate permission. If you choose Can View, the guest will be able to open and read the page, but they won't be able to make any changes. This is a good option for sharing information that should stay unchanged. If you choose Can Comment, they'll be able to view the page and leave comments. This is helpful when you want feedback without allowing direct edits. If you select Can Edit, the guest can view, comment, and make changes to the page content. Use this when you are actively collaborating on the page together. There may also be a full access option. With full access, the guest can edit, comment, and also share the page with others. Because this gives the most control, it's a good idea to use it only when necessary. After selecting the permission level, click Invite. Notion will send an email with a link that allows the guest to join and access the page you shared. That's all it takes to add guests in Notion. Just open the page. Use the Share menu, enter the email, choose the right permission, and send the invite. Thanks for watching.